Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making safety absolute. Disconnect the spark plug and secure the mower on level ground with blocks under the deck. Next, release any drive engagement and move the control lever to neutral so the cable is slack. This reduces tension and makes removal easier. Then, inspect where the cable attaches at the handle and at the mower transmission. Take a photo for reference. Once done, unclip the cable from the handle bracket and free it from the routing clips toward the deck. You now work through the middle steps. Loosen and remove the retaining clip or bolt that secures the cable to the transmission drum or pulley. This releases the inner wire. Carefully pull the sheath back out of its bracket and note ferrules or spacers. Keep them with the cable. Thread the new cable through the same clips and guides, ensuring the sheath seats fully and the inner wire reaches the transmission slot. Make sure the routing avoids kinks and hot or moving parts for long life. You finish by securing the hardware and setting tension. Attach the cable end into the transmission slot and reinstall the retaining clip or bolt, tightened snugly. At the handle, set cable free play so the drive engages fully without binding. Too tight causes wear, too loose causes slip. Once adjusted, reconnect the spark plug and test the drive on a short strip of grass, observing engagement and release. If the drive slips or drags, recheck routing and tension. Replace worn ferrules or the drum if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.